sticky, slime that's gooey. Mix it up, it's really chewy. Add some sparkles, make it shine. Crafty fun, it's slime time. DIY, let's create with crafty slime. It's really great. Color, texture, fun galore. Every day we make some more. Cut and paste and paint away. Crafting fun every day. Paper, scissors, glue in hand. Making magic, it's so grand. Glitter, glue, and beads galore. Mix them in, let's add some more. Stretchy, squishy, sparkly slime. Crafting fun, it's always time. Colors bright, like a rainbow. Swirl them up, watch it glow. Crafty hands, creative minds. In our slime, magic finds.